Dao Junhua County branch at November 7 left parenthesis 2004 ad. 93-year-old the culture lecture of physical components and spiritual health was conducted by Tainan County Office about Guangdao. The Friendship of Dao members of college section was linked by Yiho unit and Chuanyan unit. Dao members visited a large Dao society. Dao members visited Bhagwan Holy Temple of Manhua Town of Tainan County. Dao members of Bhagwan Division visited Shinyuan Village Yiho Holy Temple. Dao members of Nanshan Unit of Shinai Division visited Shinyuan Village Yiho Holy Temple. Dao members of Fucheng, Tainan City right parenthesis hyphen unit of Shinai Division visited Shinyuan Village Yiho Holy Temple. Dao members of branch of Huaiyang County of Guangdao visited Shinyuan Village Yiho Holy Temple at July 2007 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 96-year-old Dao members of Yulan and Taipei visited Shinyuan Village Yiho Holy Temple. Dao members bus tours of some places often visited Tuvilla. Dao members of Thailand visited Tuvilla at October 2007 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 96-year-old Tainan County Police retirees were leaded by Chairman Chen to visit Tuvilla at 2007 ad. 96-year-old Dao members visited Guanwei Dao First Center and the Buddha Hall of Famai Division at Nanchao County at February 22, 2009 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 98-year-old to develop boundary truth matter activity photos of foreign temples left parenthesis Dao Society. To develop foreign Dao Society Kuban has transmitted Guangdao to 9 countries. There are Vietnam, Thailand, Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, of Southeastern Asia, and India of South Asia, Hong Kong, Australia, and so on. Many countries have established Taekwondo Association, for example, Republic of China, the United States, Canada, Indonesia, Thailand, Japan, and so on. Besides, there is the World Taekwondo Headquarters, important website, 12-day sage lecture, the ancient and cultivating Tao, and be scientific in propagating Tao to help promote the truth. Tao by Computer Information Technology website to provide learning resources beyond time and space limited. To use the internet, search website and enter 000it. Then it can be found. Thanksgiving to the late Senior Elder Shin for his great virtue when he was alive, to buy the land and not stingy. For people to walk to respect Senior Elder Ju for his designing cultural pictures of Tao Society and the construction of 5 Sage Temple for Tao members, making friends with the community at this good place. Linking telephone of Shinyuan Village Yiho Holy Temple 062690 199262690000819 Shitsu Village, Guantian area, Tainan City. Welcome to the large Maitreya Dao Society with sharing of resources. Thanks for your watching video first edition. That's September 2007 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 96 year ROC. First edition of Taiwanese language. That August 2009 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 98 year R.O.C. Earth God of the Air Force Academy of Gangshan area seeked 43 treasures of Iquan in Genuine Village Liho Holy Temple at February 6, 2009 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 98 year ROC. First edition of Comparing Chinese-English caption. That August 2013 ad. Right parenthesis left parenthesis 102 year ROC. Liho Holy Temple Orchestra performance. Thank Master Teachers Shin Ping Chu. Mon Xiaolin graduated from Tainan Art University for teaching me. Please search http://www.google.com.tw by entering 000 Iquan Dao Digital Library to find it. To popularity in everywhere by willing with this benefit, we all and living creatures all totally will be Buddhas. http://106.1.249.168 http://106.1.37.103